Hello, my name is Adzky, and here I'm building a simple authentication service with Express.js. So to build a server, we first need to import Express.js, then we are defining Express.js as app, and then we are defining the port that we will later use. And then we are also using Express.json to parse the JSON that would be sent and read. And then here we have the authentication middleware that will read the request body and get the username and password. If username and password is not there, it will throw a 400 error. Username and password are required, but then if username and password are correct, it will take the username to display later in the next handler. But if the password and username is not correct, it will throw the 401 error, invalid credentials. And then after the authentication middleware, here we have a request trigger middleware that will show that method and URL every time a request is made. And then here we have the public root that can be accessed everyone. And then here we have the protected login root that will call the authentication middleware. Then if success, it will throw this message: login successful, welcome the username. And lastly, we have the error handler that will respond with the error status and the error message respectively. Okay, we can next try to run it. First, we can start the server, and then it will give this console log. Next, we will try to get the root first. It is sending first the console log, get the date and the method and the URL. Then we will also have the response, hello, this is public root. Next is we will gonna try the login function of the post method, and then if we send the correct password, it will give the message login successful, welcome admin, that is the username. But if we are sending the empty one, it will give the 400 byte request error message, username and password are required. And lastly, if you are sending username and password but it's not correct, it will send the 401 unauthorized error, invalid credentials. All right, thank you.